So today this video is all about understanding that how to make losses impossible to incur in forex trading. So watch full video from start to end and you will understand that if you follow our strategy you will never make losses in forex trading, whether it is day to day basis, weekly basis, monthly basis or quarterly basis or half yearly basis, you will never make losses. So we will understand. Today we have taken the example of NZD CHF. Here NZD CHF, here NZD CHF pair we have shown. NZD is showing the strength of 83%, CHF is showing the strength of almost 3. So that is the reason that NZD is strong and CHF is weak. So the pair NZD CHF pair is strong to buy, where you can already see you see the pattern, it is going up. So this is the first confirmation where you will find that which pair to buy, which pair to sell. Here you can take the same example in OD NZD, but here we have, just for the confirmation, we have taken the NZD CHF. So here you can see OD NZD is 96% weak, but we will take the example of NZD CHF. So the second confirmation, this indicator here gives the second confirmation where you will find indicators showing buy or sell. Here you will find this red indication, which means it is to sell. Here you will find blue indication, which means here you have to buy. So what it means, you do not have to do anything. This confirmation you have ready reckoner. Here you have ready-made confirmation. These two confirmation, it is ready-made. You do not have to do anything, you just have to follow the indications. So this is the first indication. The second indication, this tick mark will give you the indication that where to buy and where to sell. This chart we have taken from H1, the same chart we MT4 chart H1. So this is H1 chart, already shows the buy trend. I will show you. So this is a complete buy trend. Here you can observe, and this is the third confirmation. This is the break even line. So if it is above the line, you can keep buying. If it goes below the line, you can sell. But this is just for the understanding. You will never make loss because you are already getting two confirmation plus third. Now the fourth confirmation, this is the volume, the live real time buyers and sellers volume you are getting here. So this is completely showing buy trend, so you can stay in buy. So you have 4 confirmation. Now we will talk about remaining 3 confirmation. So the 6th confirmation, you can see here, it's 20 in 1 indicator. So what 20 in 1 indicator means, we have already made a video on this. With this indicator you get a very precise buy and sell indication, just like you have seen here. These 2 indication, this is the sell indication, this is the buy indication. This 20 in 1 indicator, the coding page itself is around 500 pages, 5 to 700 pages. If you combine all this MQL coding, this I'm not exactly sure, but we have around 3000 pages of coding, and combining this all indicator or all these MT4 tools, you get one precise strategy to hit buy and sell in forex trading. Now here you have those who follow day chart, they can follow H1. Those who follow trend, they can follow H4 day chart. So now this is the 5th confirmation from buy and sell. So here this shows resistance level, and this one shows support level. So this supply and demand indication gives you a proper level to buy and sell from. So where to buy, where to sell, you get already confirmation. So you will not make any mistakes, and your risk become very, very small, and your reward becomes 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Now the main confirmation, the 7th, for which this we have included in our MT4 strategy, which was previously there, but now we have added in our MT4 chart, which you will get it already set up in your MT4 if you buy or rent. So this is the liquidity provider live real time volume indication. What it does, it gives you a real time data that we fetch from our liquidities provider from all over the world. There are more than 30 countries which we fetch the data from, and we have selected few legitimate regulated brokers, world's most famous well-known brokers, that we fetch the data from. This data gives you a live indication that this is the seller's data, this is the buyer's data. This green color shows buyer's volume, this red color shows seller's volume. So here you can see in H4 H1 day 1 it is showing a very good buyer's volume. So that is the reason it gives the buy trend. So you have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and the seventh confirmation. So including all this, if you combine, if you integrate all this strategy, you get 97% accuracy. You get 97% accuracy. With 97% accuracy and with the risk reward 1:1, you can expect at least you can expect 3 to 4 times return in just 1 month of your investment. Now we will show you how this data we fetch from the liquidity providers. So I will show you that. Yes, to include, now you have already observed this screen. Now to include this, to combine this, our strategy into your MT4 chart, you cannot just do it randomly. You have to add our file into your MT4 tool, which only we will give you once you buy or rent it. So we will show you. Here you can see we have already put the link in Expert Advisor. You have this link.